we must pay homage to him.
We're here at Uncle Joel's studio. Got a package from the people at Maxpeedingrods. It's a turbo. We're gonna open it up. You can see what it looks like. We're gonna maybe ask Joel and Andrew what they think about it. Maybe even Ben. You know? We'll see.
Other Ben, not our Ben.
Yeah.
The other Ben, right?
But yeah, so they
Or our
sent
Ben.
us. Maybe both.
Maybe both?
Maybe them all.
All Bens?
All of them. Maybe Jeff too. They sent this over. Maxpeedingrods.
Let's just show your address really quick.
So there will be a discount code in the description from the people at Maxpeedingrods if you also are in the market for a turbo.
What kind of other stuff do they sell?
They sell like everything, dude. They sell a lot.
What does a turbo like this go for?
It's got gaskets
Good value?
too. So this is $118 US, I think.
For a turbo?
For a turbski, dude. A whole ass turbski and some gaskets.
Oh, it's worth it right there, dude. Come on, hurry.
So yeah, we're gonna test this out, you know.
Looks like those gaskets are in heaven.
It's a T28, so
What
it's
consistency is that? Oh,
It's a little bigger than the T25, you know. Here it is. All nicely packaged and bagged. Oh, I just put shit, dude.
Oh, it stinks, man.
I just put fucking shit in my pants.
Me too. Why is this so
Well, look at this,
stinky?
man. So yeah, you can see. It's got all the torque markings on it,
It's got all the
you know.
pieces of a turbo you'd expect
So-
to be on a turbo.
We'll go more in depth on this turbski. We're probably gonna put it on my car pretty soon. We're here today to get an alignment and the metal intake pipe from Father Andrew.
Yeah, that's clean, that alignment.
Yeah, look at that toe, dude. Fire!
Metal intake pipe?
Yeah, for some dose, man. Father Andrew's gonna sweld that up. We'll show them this, see what they think.
Look at all the junk they have here. Hella junk E36s. Ben's junk over there. Andrew's junk. Where's Joel's junk? Joel's junk Denali. This R32 GTR with endless brakes in the front.
That thing's crazy. It's real fun, man.
Is it crazy though, bro? Endless, bro. Bro, is this even Sonic, bro?
Not in person. Hey.
It's Joel spotting. Look at this guy all waxed. Got the Pfizer and the Brazilian going.
Pfizer's more of like a head high, you know.
Not a body.
Moderna's more like body, you know.
It's good to know. The future with firearms.
Yeah, there you go. Get the rocks
Dude,
on.
when I drove Ben to work, there's so
Yeah,
many in there.
this vent here just scoops them up.
Wow.
With these, man.
He's de-gloving and look at the gloves.
Yeah, dude.
Actual fire.
It's comfy.
Oh.
Am I allowed?
Slide your hand in
bed.
there.
Driving or sleeping, dude.
Oh my goodness. This is exciting.
But you better say good things about it. because
Only good
it's in the
things.
video.
No bad
Yeah, only
things.
good things.
No bad
Well, you can
things.
say bad things.
Well, you can
We'll
edit the
cut
bad
that
things out
Yeah.
if I say any.
Yeah. So just be honest, and we'll
Honest opinion.
try
Oh,
not
man,
to take it to heart.
That grip pattern on the fingers.
Yeah, that's
That's
gonna be.
so sick.
Oh, it's gonna be white on the production ones.
Wow.
Look at all the grip.
Oh my goodness.
You can even grip the like if you want to.
Actual fire. Yeah. If you want to do it like here, like
Yeah.
Dude, fireproof, dude.
fireproof.
Dude. Yeah,
Fire-
But they're already on fire, dude.
yeah. So it's like double fire.
Oh yeah.
How much better than the first ones we did?
Quite a bit. Yeah, these are nice, man. I fuck with these hard. That's awesome. Yeah, I want to drift with these real bad.
You can trust Uncle Joel's opinion too, because
I'm a bit of a glove man. I've got a good cool 8 pairs or so.
yeah.
And soon to have a couple more pairs. Man, these are nice. These feel really good. They're padded well. They're not too bulky. Lots of dexterity. They're dexterous.
Yeah.
They're good.
Oh yeah. Cool, man.
No, because you got the thumb length right, which is like my biggest shtick when I try on gloves. When I curl my thumb around the wheel and there's a bunch of extra
materials. Alright, Uncle Joel's got some goodies. I'll go rifle through all this shit.
Alright, looking for the manifold.
Dude, there's definitely... We gotta change the bulbs up here, man. Can't see anything.
Oh!
What?
That was a big ass spider web.
What?
Dude, that's a tarantula nest. Why would you ever stand under that? Dude, there's no way that's not a tarantula.
Uncle Joel's got a decent collection going.
good new filter.
Well, it's just me out.
Less throttle, buddy.
Well, he's learning.
Oh, you got it. You did it. I remember my first time driving manual.
No, like actually, no, you guys do. I swear it's the clutch.
I swear it's the
I
clutch.
just farted.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's right.
Come here, bud. It's like a defense mechanism. You're fucking sick.
It's like an octopus, but instead of ink, it's.
When nephew gets all scared, he toots.
Yeah, I'm nervous farts, man.
Sick.
Yeah, he's scared about driving manual.
Goddamn fucking clutch, man. Making everyone think I don't know how to. You know I know how to drive manual, dude.
I actually don't.
Fuck off.
Bro, I've got the Gatorades, bro.
This is a prime piece of Canter Automotive goodness.
You can say whatever you want now. It's not a platform video. It's a Moist Boys video.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah, just whatever you want.
Don't even give him that option.
Oh, there's so many things I want to say right now. S14 work as long as you don't want to be super low. If you had 18s, they'd go to 6 degrees without hitting.
Well, we only run cool wheels on this channel, so sorry about it.
You only run little wheels on that channel.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, sorry about it.
Specifying. Fucking guy.
Cool wheels are big.
Hey,
18s, 19s. 20s are a little too big.
ED.
ED.
Calm.
ED.
Calm. I'm just the D.
No.
Crazy, man. How long till I crack this? Man? This is OG ISIS. Look at how old the logo is.
Is it actually ISIS?
ISIS.
Oh.
You almost like Finding Nemo, dude. He only touches the thing. How you ever fit in the 15 on this?
How you fitting?
Oh well, you must be compensating for something, bro.
Look at Jeff. He's in your stinky ass car interior. Has to sit there.
Hello.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do what?
Cheers.
Okay. I'll open up the auction portal. We'll get the process started.
Crazy, man.
Cool, man.
If you want a car, go to Joel.
Come to platform if you want to import a car. You make a little deposit. I send you auctions in the morning. You make your choice, and we bid in the afternoon.
Plus,
of course, if you see something you like.
and he has a physical location, so if the car comes and it's absolutely cocked, you can come pee on his floor or something.
You could do that if you want, yeah. But,
We also know where he lives too, so if you want that information, just let us know.
Oh, for sure. Shit, man.
What?
Something looks like shit.
What are you talking about?
Your car looks like shit.
Yeah, no shit.
No shit?
The car does look like shit, man. To join. Enjoy where he's going to.
Oh, is that a check?
Yeah, it's checked. It'll clear, I swear. You can have it. It's good. It's fine.
Oh.
It didn't bounce.
Fuck you, George. Stroll, we saw some comments online that you were being negative towards the Sandwich Police Department.
Yeah, Sandwich PD, if you're watching this, you've got an embarrassing member on your force there that you just need to tell him to cool it on the early 90s imports. It's really embarrassing. Tell him to keep his eyes out for actual problems.
Methods with weapons?
Or even just like rotten cars that actually need brakes and tires and stuff that are unsafe. Like that would be ideal. That's sort of the point of the vehicle inspection and having that authority.
I don't think anyone thought your joke was funny.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah,
You do it.
Oh, I bet.
You can smoke how many different kinds of crawdad out of that?
At least 4.
No, 5?
There you go. Now you're thinking. Like the pan flute, like style crawdad.
Yeah.
Oh.
You put your crawdads in here.
You shove it in there, yeah.
You fill this with crawds, and then you just go. This work is just riveting.
So sick. Keep rule. Pay any shit.
Okay, bro.
Among other things.
Whoa, that's trippy, dude. It's actually crazy in there. Why does it sound like that?
From crawdad.
Is it still living in there?
Yeah.
It's still chooching.
Yeah.
I can hear your last pull on this.
Yeah. The last crawdad.
The last crawdad, like inhale.
Yeah.
I can still hear it.
It's still in there.
Yeah.
Who is that? Who said that?
I don't know, I'm only 17.
That's why you like it.
Comment below if you know who said, I did not inhale.
That's the end of the video. Did you just
Why is this
outro
one playing spoons in this beat?
it? Did you just outro the video for us?
I might have, I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hell yeah,
Use
bro.
that kind. There you
Cool,
go.
man.
There you go. Give me money.
Alright. What was that thing I did? That wasn't the no one laughed at. I thought it was kind of funny, but it wasn't.
It was trash.
It
It
was
didn't bounce.
trash.
It didn't bounce.
Yeah, it's still here.
It's a
I don't
good
know.
check.
I didn't want to waste a good, like, you could like wipe your hands on it if you want, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasting shop supplies.
Sorry about it.
Okay, boys.
Yeah.
Are you
Spin a
coming to
slice.
get? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, this weekend?
Yeah.
Is that what you're asking?
Saturday. Saturday. All right, I'm ending this video though.
Okay, shalom, peace, subscribe, catch you in the next one.
Subscribe. Comment below if you know who said, I did not inhale.
Okay. Bye, Joel.
Dude, I'm gonna listen to this like a long time.